Alright, so definitely have more respect for YouTubers, and it's been a while since I've shot a video, so we'll try to give a quick overview of where I am on the project. It's been a lot slower than I expected. Life, kids, wife, work, the usual. So I'll go through some of these things, and I don't know, maybe I'll start doing this again. I definitely have more appreciation for how good most YouTubers are in the editing department. Let's see what we have. So as you can see, plenty of things have gained life in the garage. The car still on the lift. I had another car underneath it, sold it basically so I could work on this more frequently, because I have a pet peeve about leaving cars outside. So what do we have? We have a K20 Z3 motor. I've got a exhaust flange on it now. We have several of the weld L's you can see over there that we'll start to use to make the turbo manifold. In the back we have a just an eBay special coolant neck that will send the water out the side. We have an eBay special fuel rail. I regretted that. That was a bit of a pain because I had to end up buying a tap to tap the ends. It said it was tapped to R8, AN8. It was not. Skunk 2 manifold has been replaced by the Kmiata manifold. Thankfully this thing just came in. 2000cc FIC injectors, B-series throttle body, B-series throttle position sensor. And then here you can start to see some of the wiring that I've done. Deutsch connectors. And I'm a couple short, so once those come back in, I'll finish out this part of the wiring harness. Let's see, what else do we have that's worthy of being shown? Fuel pressure regulator, new firewall. Basically bent this out of steel, or aluminum I should say. Cleaned it up. You'll see several pieces. The intake piping is quite the wiring is quite nice. I've got the Honda wiring, and I was able to use the grommet, so you can see right there it goes through. Lots of progress on the backside here, so let's navigate to see that. So I've installed 2 metal rails. You can see one's here, one's below. I've got the power distribution management system there, so basically I don't need relays or fuses. It's all done by an app, which is great. There are a couple of relays because of the wiring harness I bought, so we'll keep using those. Under this mess of tools is a Honda ECU that I mounted to the bottom. There's an OBD2 port right there. Kill switch over there and wiring. So generally my theory is this bar right here will all be hot wires that come out of the, that'll be like ignition on, so accessory. 2 wiring harnesses that have been built. You can see one here, that one goes to the rear, this one goes to the front, and then just connecting them here. Struggled with how to do that. Seems to work, fairly happy with it. What else do we have? Shifter, Kmiata kicked, absolute rifle bolt. It's like millimeters of throw. Very happy with how that looks and feels. Floor, I ended up pulling it off